This is Pavillion. On a weekend, usually it's filled with people. Nobody. No one. That's Fahrenheit. The COVID case count is 9,000 plus, and there's a strict MCO going on in Kuala Lumpur, and it looks like everyone is wearing a mask. I don't know why they're out. They're probably working. I don't know. Everyone is following the SOPs, but the count's still going up. I don't know. Okay, let's go to the next spot and see what's going on. Beautiful, yeah. See you in the next segment. This is Damascus restaurant, Bukit Bintang. Lot 10 is around there. This is the corner. Weekend. These are all Grab fruit drivers, riders. I'm wearing a mask, so it's quite muffled. These are all Grab food riders. Everybody is masked. Quite efficient. This is shawarma. Beautiful, beautiful food. Very nice restaurant. Can I ask you a few questions? Hello?
Yes, boss.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, welcome.
Its SOP is very tight.
Yeah.
Are people following the SOP?
This one from Syria.
People wearing mask?
Wear mask. All wear mask.
All wear mask?
Yeah. See?
No trouble.
No trouble.
Very nice.
Yes, and scan all.
Everybody scan.
Yes, of course.
Okay. If their temperature is not high, if too high?
Too high, I ask him, I'm sorry, I cannot take order. And go check yourself, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you.
Welcome. You want shawarma?
No.
This one. Okay, bro.
Thank you.
Welcome,
Okay.
brother. You want to try?
Can.
Can't. Yeah, I make for you one.
I go and film, I come back, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Can I talk to you? Peace. Peace back to you, my friend. This is beef shawarma. This is chicken shawarma. And this is shawarma is made. Okay, I should have done a different segment. I'll come back. I'll come back. So let me go to middle of COVID. I don't know what's going on here, but she's not wearing a mask. You should wear a mask. And this is lot 10. Middle of COVID. Look. Everybody's masked. We're in the middle of SOP, EMCO in Kuala Lumpur, and most of the people are masked. So this is lot 10. It's a weekend, no one here. These two girls are picturing away but not wearing masks. So despite the fact that people are wearing masks and despite the fact that there's a strict EMCO, there's a lot of cars out, not too many people on the ground, but quite a lot for my opinion, but they're all masked. 99.9% of them so far are masked. Stay at home. Don't come out unless you have to. That's my advice. From Bukit Bintang, Lot 10 area, with a quiet area here. JC, see you in the next segment. Out. I'm still in Lot 10. And I bumped into an old friend and his missus. Hi, how are you?
Hi, Jeremy.
How are you?
Good.
How are you, love? It's been a while since I saw you.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself to my audience.
Hi, everyone. This is Yong from Kuala Lumpur. I just want to say, stay safe. Not to come out. Wear your mask all the time. It is really a tough time now. The number is keep going up.
It's 9,000.
Yeah, I just came out just to buy some groceries and on my way back home.
Actually, he refused to talk to me because it's SOP, it's very tight, nobody should be out. I convinced him to talk to me for a few minutes because I want him and everybody else to give a good message that the count is going up. The SOP is getting tighter, but still the count is going up. So something is wrong. Stay at home. If you need to buy food, if you need to buy grocery, come out, buy your grocery and get your ass back home. Stay at home. If you come out, wear a mask. Don't stay out too long, correct?
Stop the outdoor activities, although some of the activities has been allowed, but my advice, don't do that, because when you do that, the chances of getting affected is very high. There's no way that the mask can cover all the times, so the germs is flying everywhere. So try not to work out at these times.
He is just relaying the same thing I said earlier. People are jogging and they're walking and they're not wearing a mask and they say the SOP allows them not to wear a mask. That's confusing to me. They're running in a crowd, they're not wearing a mask.
That's not safe.
They're going to breathe in. It's not safe.
It's not a good way to exercise.
It's not a good way to exercise. I agree. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stay safe. Stay beautiful. And I'll talk to you again. I'm going on to my next segment, probably Jalan Awal. I will see you there. JC, mahalo.
I'll buy you a beer after the MCO.
You said it on YouTube. He's going to buy me a beer. Mahalo. Thanks.